Are you struggling to find the perfect job? Are you tired of getting nowhere with your applications? Well, look no further. In this video, I'm going to share expert ways to take advantage of job search engines. And stay tuned till the end because I will have a free download available for you to speed up your job search. Plus, I'm going to show you my super secret job search strategy that virtually guarantees you success. Stay tuned and find out how. But first, I'm Ilene Rein. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for over a decade. I've helped thousands of job seekers land their dream jobs by sharing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter. As a job search strategist, I specialize in teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, land jobs that truly inspire them, and earn the income they so richly deserve. You're here because you want to learn how to land your dream job. I create new training videos like this every single week. If you'd like to get exclusive access to insider tips and job search strategies before anyone else, now is a perfect time to subscribe and receive alerts when I post new content. Looking for a new job can often feel like a job in itself. Scouring endless job postings and refreshing job search pages can leave anyone feeling like they're stuck in Groundhog Day. But fear not, my job-seeking friends. There's a solution that'll save you both time and energy. Job alerts. I want you to set up job alerts on your go-to job search engines to receive notifications for new postings that match your specific criteria. You'll no longer have to scroll through pages upon pages of irrelevant listings, and you'll have more time to focus on perfecting your resume or enjoying a well-deserved Netflix binge. Another expert job searching strategy I want to share with you is to utilize the advanced search options and let technology do the heavy lifting. Narrowing down your options by location, salary, or company size will give you the best shot at finding your dream job. Don't waste your time scrolling through postings that don't match your qualifications. Let the filters do the work for you. Trust me, there's nothing more satisfying than finding that perfect job and knowing you utilize all the tools at your disposal to get there. And before you apply for a job, it's important to do your research. And no, scrolling through their website and reading their About Us page doesn't count. Good news though, there are some great sites out there to help you truly get to know your potential employer. By utilizing these resources, you can get a better understanding of their company culture and values, allowing you to tailor your application accordingly. So, before you hit submit on that job application, do your research. Trust me, it'll pay off in the end. I want to share one more expert job search strategy with you, which is extremely important and most job seekers tend to neglect, so hang tight. If any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. And there you can gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop, and it'll show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your job search. Looking for a job sometimes can feel like finding a needle in a haystack, but I have an expert job search strategy that will lead you straight to the heart of the opportunity. Focus your search on niche job search engines that cater to your industry or interests. Not only will you have less competition, but you'll also be in the running for unique job opportunities that you might not have found otherwise. It's like being the first in line at a packed concert and snagging the best seat in the house. And to make your job search even easier for you, I've created a list of 266 job search engines that you can post your resume and search for jobs. You can access this free download on my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com/job sites. And I'll leave the link in the comments as well. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on Inside Secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. And if you really want to turbocharge your job search, grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers, so we can talk about your job search and how my foolproof job getting career building system, Pounding Pavement 101, can show you how to land your dream job as it has for thousands of job seekers. My name is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.